Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. In our last video, we understood what are the different types of subqueries. We'll deepen our understanding with a hands-on. The first one is a row level subquery. Within that, we have single row and multi-row. I have logged into my SQL and I'm going to use a database, a university. Yes, I did use a. Let me go ahead and create a table within the university database. The table I'm creating is EMP1, which has around 4 columns. So let us insert some data into this. You would have done this multiple times. In case if you're not well versed with this, please do watch our videos on creating the table, inserting the data. Let us understand the correlated subquery. Correlated subquery is a subquery used for row by row processing. Each subquery is executed once for every row of the outer query. Before we write a correlated subquery, let us understand our data and understand the requirement. What we want to know is, we want to know which person in a company is getting paid more than the average salary of a department within which he is working. In order to do that, we can go ahead and write a correlated subquery. How am I doing it? If you check here, in this table, first and foremost thing is we need to find if there are any records where we have more than one same value in the department number. In order to check that, we are saying even department number is equal to E2 department number. So in case the department number is same, then only compute the average salary of those values. In a way, it is a self-join. Once the salary is computed for each of the department, that would be compared with the salary of each person. In case the salary of a particular person is greater than the average salary of the department in which he or she is there, that will be included as a part of the result. And this process happens iteratively. First, it will go ahead and find the average of 10. Then it will go and see whether this particular guy who is there in the 10 having a average greater than the department average. In that case, it will be included as a part of the result. Let us go ahead and execute this. We got two records. That is 4,000 and 5,000. If you see, 30 and 40 are omitted here. Since they don't have more than one value, obviously whatever the salary individual is getting is the more or less, because there is only one value. But if you have more than one value in each of the department, like 10, the average of department number 10 salary is 2,000 plus 4,000 divided by 2, that happens to be 3,000. Average salary of department number 10 is 3,000. Now after calculating that, that will be compared with the individual salary. Is 2,000 bigger than 3,000? No, it will be discarded. Then in the next 10, is 4,000 bigger than 3,000? Yes, it is. Then it is included as a part of the result. Coming to the department number 20, so the average of department number 20 is 5,000 plus 3,000. That is 8,000. 8,000 by 2 is 4,000. It will be computed. 5,000 is greater than 4,000. Yes, it is. So it will be included as a part of the result. Is 3,000 greater than 4,000? No, that is the reason it is excluded from the results. As I indicated, this process is done iteratively, row by row processing. One more way, what we'll do now is, instead of more than that, we'll go for a less than. The different records which are included as a part of the results will differ. So here 2,000 and 3,000 are there because we want less than, not more than. Okay, so 3,000 is the average of department number 10. 2,000 is definitely less than 3,000. That is the reason it is included as a part of the result. Department number 20 has an average of 4,000. 3,000 is less than the 4,000. That is the reason it is included as a part of the result. Awesome. We understood how the subqueries work as a part of the hands-on. Please do practice. Thank you.